Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, et dans cette vidéo, on va apprendre les conjonctions, which means the conjunctions. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in this video, we are going to study conjunctions in French. The fifth conjunction is si. Si. Si means if. Now si changes into S apostrophe if you have il or il plurial after it. It doesn't change into S apostrophe when you have L. In case of L, C remains C only. But it changes into S apostrophe only in these two cases. Okay, il and il. Now the meaning of C is if. When do you use this conjunction? You use this conjunction when you want a condition to be met. When there is a condition in the sentence. Like for example, elle va à la plage. She goes to the beach. The weather is beautiful. So there is a condition. If the weather is beautiful, only then she goes to the beach. So, elle va à la plage. She goes to the beach, or she is going to the beach if the weather is beautiful. She goes to the beach if the weather is beautiful. Otherwise, she will not go. So there is a condition here that if the weather is beautiful. So, elle va à la plage s'il fait beau. Now, do you realize that here you have il? So, therefore, C changes into S apostrophe. I told you that C changes into S apostrophe only in two cases, if you have il or il plurial after it. Now, elle va à la plage, she goes to the beach if the weather is beautiful. Next, nous sortons. We go out, il ne pleut pas. It is not raining. So we will go out if it is not raining. Now there is a condition here that if it does not rain, only then we will go out. So nous sortons s'il ne pleut pas. Nous sortons s'il ne pleut pas. Again you have il here, so C changed into S apostrophe. So nous sortons s'il ne pleut pas. Alors, troisième. Je vais acheter des fruits. Je vais au marché. So I'm going to buy some fruits. I go to the market. Now I'm going to buy some fruits only when I go to the market. So there is a condition. If I go to the market, I will buy some fruits. So what connector we are going to use? What conjunction we are going to use? We are going to use si. I'm going to buy some fruits if I go to the market. So je vais acheter des fruits si je vais au marché. Do you see here I've written si and not S apostrophe, because after that I do not have il or il plurial. I have je after that. So therefore, C remains C. When there are two sentences and you want to join them, and in one of these sentences, you have a condition. If that condition is met, only then the second thing will happen. So C means if. Now, the sixth conjunction that we have to do is puis. Puis. Puis, which means then. Puis. Now, it is used to join the two sentences when there are series of something. Let's say, first I do this, then I do this. Okay, let's say, elle va à la plage, she goes to the beach, elle joue au tennis, she plays tennis. So she goes to the beach, then she plays tennis. So first is this action and second is this action. So elle va à la plage, puis elle joue au tennis. Puis, then she plays tennis. Next. Elle se réveille à 7 heures. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. Elle se brosse les dents. She brushes the teeth. Now, how would you join the two sentences? Here again there is a series of events. First, she wakes up and then she brushes the teeth. So how can you do that? How? Elle se réveille à 7 heures. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. Then she brushes the teeth. Puis, elle se brosse les dents. So, you use the conjunction puis to join the two sentences where there is an order. First, somebody does this and then somebody does this. Okay, so the next conjunction is ou. Ou. Ou means or. Now, you use ou wherever you have to give somebody an option. Okay, let's say, mange-t-elle du chocolat? She eats or does she eat some chocolate? Mange-t-elle des bonbons? Does she eat some candies? So how would you join the two sentences? Does she eat some chocolate or some candies? So here there is an option. Some chocolate or some candies. Mange-t-elle? Does she eat some chocolate or some candies? Mange-t-elle du chocolat ou des bonbons? There's an option here. Next, voulez-vous du poulet? Do you want some chicken? Voulez-vous du mouton? Do you want some mutton? So you want to give somebody an option. You want to say, do you want some chicken or some mutton? So you say, voulez-vous du poulet ou du mouton? So here do you see that we are also avoiding the repetition of the similar kind of words like mange-t-elle du chocolat? Does she eat some chocolate? Does she eat some candy? So I'm avoiding the repetition of does she eat. I'm simply saying does she eat once? Mange-t-elle du chocolat ou des bonbons? Here as well, I wrote voulez-vous only once. Do you want some chicken or some mutton? So voulez-vous du poulet ou du mouton? So you use ou as the conjunction when you want to offer or when you have a choice of something. When there is an option, one option to be selected amongst the two. Now the last conjunction that we have to do is donc. Donc. Donc, which means therefore. Now we use this conjunction to introduce a consequence of something. Let's say, il n'y a pas de lait. There is no milk. Elle va à la crèmerie. So there is a reason. The reason is that there is no milk. Therefore, she goes to the crèmerie. Crèmerie is a place where you buy all the milk products. So basically it's a dairy. Okay. So il n'y a pas de lait. That's the reason. And the consequence is that she goes to the dairy. So il n'y a pas de lait. Donc, elle va à la crèmerie. Next example is elle n'a pas de montre. She doesn't have the watch. Elle achète une montre. She buys a watch. So now the reason is, what is the cause? The cause is that she doesn't have the watch and the consequence is that she buys a watch. So elle n'a pas de montre, donc elle achète une montre. She doesn't have the watch, therefore she buys a watch. So you use the conjunction donc to introduce a consequence of a cause. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and to receive all the updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.